Yeah, what's going on, guys? In this tutorial, in this video tutorial, we are going to be discussing and we are going to be seeing how we can output HTML data inside PHP script. Like we already know, like I told you before, I showed you how you can um, output data in PHP using the echo language construct, just like this. Hello world. Now, what if we you want to echo probably HTML data inside PHP? Okay, now this is what we're gonna do right now. Okay, for example, an input field like this, input type is equal to text. If you are familiar with HTML, this shouldn't be a problem. H value is equal to, I say hello, like this. Now, yeah, where you can input data like what we have in forms. Okay, what if we want to input this data inside a PHP script like this? Now let's try to view it inside our in a browser and see if it's gonna output any error. Hopefully I know it's gonna output the error. Wow, syntax error, unexpected text, expecting um, semicolon, comma or semicolon in on line 3, which is this. Now as you can see, we have a double quote outside this HTML data, HTML codes. Now we also have two double quotes here and here. Now the first line, the first quote outside this data, and the second here, this is where it's supposed to end. This is where our line terminator is supposed to comes up. Now it didn't come up there, and the HTML PHP parsing engine was not able to parse that data. Now that's why it outputted error. Okay, we have different ways of working this out, and I'm gonna show you. We have like 3 ways we can work this out. We can fix this, and I'm gonna show you those 3 ways. Okay, the first one is, now since we are using um, double quote outside the data, now we can change the ones inside to single quote, and it's gonna process very well, as you can see. Now let's try to view it in the browser. Yeah, it works out. Okay, let's try to type something inside. This is cool. Okay, all right. Now another way is changing the um the um the outside quotes to single quote and changing the inside quotes to double quote as per the standard of HTML. um this is still gonna work well, still gonna work fine, like this. Okay, let's try to see if it's gonna output any error. mm, wow, something is wrong. Okay, sorry, I forgot to include the double quotes here. Okay, now let's try to view that. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now there's another way. The last way we can do this is by let's say if we have this double quote outside the data. Now we can escape this by using a backslash or a backward slash, or whatever the case may be, a backslash or backward slash. The backslash, by escaping the code using the backslash, as you can see. Alright, let's try to view that in the browser and see if it's gonna output any error. Okay, no error outputted. Now from here you can see you can also, this is to show you guys that you can also output, you can also echo HTML data inside echo language construct. As simple as that. So if for example you want to probably maybe add some tags to your PHP script or PHP codes, probably if you want to bold your data, your information you're trying to output, you want to bold them, or you want to underline, you can also do that. Like for example, if we have strong tag, strong tag hello world. Now let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna work. Wow, you see it's bold now. Hello world is bold. Why? Because of the tag, the HTML tag that has been included in this line of code. And you can use any tag, it's still gonna work well. So as you can see, but you must make sure that you're using this inside a double quote, or you can also use it inside a single quote. It's still gonna work well. But if there is any code inside this code, you have to make sure you escape it. You have to make sure you escape that code by using a backslash or changing the outside quotes to a single or double quote. But using a single quote outside and a double quote inside is well recommended. Okay, here is where we end the tutorial for outputting HTML data inside PHP script. Please, if you like my videos, if you love my videos, like and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can always comment. I'll come back and get back to you. Alright, thanks.